feel very fortunate to be based now at the Yorkshire Sculpture Park, surrounded by the natural landscape. I have a lot of organic reference around me that I refer to constantly within the work. My name is Rebecca Appleby. My practice explores a long-standing interest that I have in structure and order, and disarray and disorder. Drawing and painting is a really big part of my practice, and for me, I sort of don't separate the two. I've been really interested recently, and for the work I'm doing for BCB, in the human brain and the hemispheres of the human brain, the right and left hand side. The shapes and forms I'll be making for the BCB will be spheres and hemispheres. In terms of the actual making, I'll be using hand building, predominantly slab forms. The initial part of the technique is applying clay into the formers, so I'm looking for perfection in terms of a really smooth surface. But once I have that initial form, then I create these very heavily textured surfaces. I use fragments and shavings of clay. I quite like the idea of using excess and shavings that would be naturally discarded. So I use this material to create really heavily textured surface onto these perfect shapes and forms. I see the BCB as being a really exciting platform in terms of challenging the notion of what ceramics can be. I feel very honoured to be taking part.